Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. In this video I will be showing you some items that I got from Burlington. This was around the time when things first started opening back up due to the pandemic. But these are some items that I got, and as you all know, I do not know what I'm having, but you know, I'm so anxious, so I went to Burlington's and I saw some items and I just wanted to get them. So let's start it off. I got this little teddy bear. Look at it. And it says my first bear, and I got gray for some odd reason. I don't know what it is. I'm leaning more to the color gray with this baby. I guess it may be because I don't know what I'm having. So gray is a neutral color. It can go for a boy or a girl. So these items that I got, it doesn't specify a gender. I just thought they were cute. But yes, I got this teddy bear for my baby. And due to the fact that everything was closed for, I want to say like a month or so, Burlington's actually had a sale. So I got this teddy bear for, I want to say like $2. And it makes noises. I just thought it was really cute. Little stuffed animal for my baby. And I also picked up this little blanket set. It also has the headrest, and I want to say this blanket was like $2 and something as well, but it comes with like this real soft blanket. It's really soft, and I got this in like a cream color because, like I said, I do not know what I'm having, so I didn't want to get a specific color. And something else that I got was something that I feel like every newborn mom or every baby is gonna need this, and it is the Baby Complete Healthcare and Grooming set. I got this at Burlington as well. This was a little pricey. The regular price on this was $18.99, but I think it was on sale for like, because they had like a 50% off sale. So I want to say I got this for like it wasn't $18.99, but I got it on sale as well. And as you see, it comes with a comb, brush, fingernail file, little scissors. I think those scissors are also to cut nails, if I'm not mistaken. A spray bottle is in here. Thermometer to check the temperature. You're definitely gonna need that with a new baby. Some nail clippers to cut the fingernails. Nose pump that's also going to be needed for when the babies get congested, or you know, they have those boogies. And then I have this like measuring bottle nipple thing. I think it's to put like medicine in, which I thought that was kind of cute and neat. And then you also have a syringe for medicine as well, and I just thought this was like really neat. And you also have some wipes in here, alcohol wipes, disinfectant for the nasal pump, and you know, the other little things on here. But when I check my baby's temperature, I'm gonna put it up under the arm. So yeah, and then it says here the spray bottle is kind of like a hair tanglement. I guess you could put like hair stuff in there or whatever for the baby. Like I say, this is something that when I had my first child, which was like 16 years ago, they had this, but they didn't have like all these other like little neat stuff in there like this. This wasn't in here with the nipple thing on here, but everything else pretty much was there. And then I also picked up these Phillips event bottles, and whenever like my first child came out, I don't think they had bottles out like this when I had my first child. Like I said, it was like 16 years ago, which he'll be 17 this month. But yeah, these bottles I don't think they were out when I had my first child. But I really like these bottles. I think they're really, really cute. And it comes with 3 in the pack. And I got these bottles because I am going to be breastfeeding my baby. If my baby, you know, latches on, and you know, I'm going to be breastfeeding my baby. So I got these bottles. And most people say these bottles are like, if you're gonna breastfeed, these would be a good choice bottles to have. So that way, because I guess the nipple kind of represents an actual nipple. But I got these bottles on sale as well. Like I said, everything at Burlington was 50% off whenever they first opened the stores back up. And I also got these Tommee Tippee bottles, which is also another bottle that they said is good for breastfeeding as well. So like whenever I pump, I could just put my milk in these bottles. And this was like a kit. It came with 4 bottles, a pacifier, extra nipples, and the bottle cleaner. And I thought this was a little cute little kit to have because it had all that stuff in there. And then I do know it also has like this little holder for, I'm guessing, like when the baby gets a little older and they're able to hold on to it. I thought that was really neat as well. And I like the bottles. They come in different sizes, and I just think they're very cute. So these will be the type of bottles that I am using with my baby. But I just threw it over there on the couch. But those are all the items that I picked up from Burlington's, like I said, when they first opened back up. I am gonna also show some other items that I got. I received some items from my baby registry as well, which my baby registry is on Amazon, but it's like for close friends and family. I really don't have a lot of stuff on my baby registry because I pretty much have like a lot of stuff already, which I'm very blessed and happy that, you know, I have all that stuff. I'm the type of person, I like to be prepared, not wait till the last minute, start now, because I know the baby is coming, God's will, and you know the baby's gonna be healthy and fine and normal, and I don't want to be doing things at the last minute with a new baby, and then due to the circumstances that are going on in the world right now. So let me go on and get these other items because they're kind of big, but I'm gonna go on and get the other items and I'll be right back. And you know what, I like to forgot just that fast, I also got this from Burlington as well, and this is like bath time little kit. I thought it was cute. It has the Baby Magic Gentle Body Lotion, the baby bath, I'm sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied, the baby bath, and this is like in lavender. A small little bottle of the baby lotion, which can go in a baby bag, and then we have the hair and body wash, which is a soft powdered scent, and then we have the little spongy, and then it also has a little cute little ducky in there as well. With washing my baby and stuff like that, the products that I'm going to be using, I will be, like I said, I got this, so I'm going to try this out to see how this works. Basically I'm trying to stay away from Baby Johnson because, you know, they have a lot of controversy going on right now, so I'm just gonna, you know, kind of stay away from them, you know, for the moment or whatever. But with my other 2 kids, I did use them. So with this child, we're just gonna try something different. But I thought that was cute and something that you're gonna need, you know. So let me go on and get the other boxes now, because that concludes all of the Burlington haul. That was everything that I got from Burlington. So I'm finna show you the other items that I got. This item was an item that I had gotten off of my baby registry, and this is the twist from Kindle. This is basically a starter kit for breastfeeding, and it contains like the, let me show you guys what's all in here. And this was something that like I said, I had this on my registry, so I'm just gonna show you what's in here. It comes with the storage container bin, and it also comes with, and this, like I said, this is the starter kit. It also comes with like these bottle, my bad, these bottle holder things for like the bags, and then it has a nipple. It has a nipple inside of here. It's a pretty neat little nipple holder, just in case, like, you know, you don't want to transport it into the bottle. You just want to keep it in the bag. You can keep it in the bag and put it in this and secure it and feed the baby like this. Yeah, you feed the baby like that. Okay, all right. They don't want to do right, so I guess I'll just put that back in the box later. And then I'm also gonna wash and sterilize these things too before the baby gets here. It also came with an extra nipple and nipple holder, and it has instructions to it as well. Instructions to it as well, because, you know, it was kind of like, okay, now, you know what I'm saying, like, never had this before, so this is gonna be this is quite all new to me. So but it comes with instructions. It has like the nipple little swabs to clean it, brushes to clean it, and then this, I'm assuming, are like these are like adjusters to like your breast pump, and I want to say also to feed them in the little bottles that they have whenever you place the bag on there or whatever. And it comes with quite a few of these. It comes with quite a few of those. And then I'm assuming it's one more box in here. And I'm assuming that this box has the bags in it. And these are the bags. They're little, they're so cute. But these are the bags that you would store your breast milk in. It comes with quite a few of these bags. I want to say, is it 25? But it comes with quite a few bags. And it also has the instructions in here as well, like, you know, just instructions on, you know, how to fully impact your twist pouches to get accurate volume of measurement. So kind of like shows you, so that's a good thing that it shows you, because just looking at it I would be like kind of like lost. But this is an item that I got off of my baby registry, and again, it is the Twist breastfeeding starter kit. So to any moms that want to breastfeed, I think it's a good little starter kit. Well, it looks good so far. Once my baby get here, I will do a review on this to see, you know, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? And then I also got, this is kind of big, so I'm gonna have to take the camera off of the tripod. Got this simple sway little swing set. I got this off my baby registry as well, and I would probably just leave this like in the living room for when I am in the living room and don't want to walk to the bedroom and place the baby in. Got the big box because you know with the newborn and babies you're gonna need Pampers. I got the size 1 and I got the newborns, and it comes with, the newborns come with a 12 pack of 20 diapers each, and then the size 1 comes with, how many Pampers is in here? I'll tell you how many in that one. Okay, it comes with 12 packages of, it comes with 12 packs with 20 diapers in each of the packs as well. So yeah, when you're having a newborn baby or a baby at all, Pampers is something that you're gonna always need. Always includes my Burlington haul and also my, you know, other items that I picked up which I didn't get from Burlington's. Like I said, I got 2 items from my baby registry, and then I picked up some Pampers, and I got those Pampers for a really good deal. They were $12 a box. That's why I'll be saying like I'm so blessed. My aunt, she works at the hospital, so yeah, that's a blessing, you know. Like, cause you know, each week I can purchase Pampers for her and get them at a bulk for not a high price, which kudos to my auntie, love you so much. So I know I'm probably gonna receive a lot of Pampers from her, but yeah, that concludes my haul. And like I said, on some of the things, I know for a fact the bottles I am going to do, I'm gonna give you like my opinion on the bottles and the Twist breastfeeding starter kit, just to see if they're worth having or not. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, we keeping it going. And again, you guys stay blessed, be safe, till we see each other again, which is gonna be real soon, because I'm keeping it rolling, baby. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. So stay blessed. Bye bye.